How to appeal for overstaying. If you have overstayed your visa in South Africa and want to appeal against the ban or penalty imposed by the Department of Home Affairs, you can submit an appeal to have the overstay record reviewed. Here's how you can proceed. 1. Understand the consequences of overstaying. Overstaying your visa in South Africa can lead to being declared undesirable under Section 30 of the Immigration Act. You may face a ban from re-entering South Africa for a certain period, depending on the duration of the overstay. Less than 30 days. 12-month ban. More than 30 days. 5-year ban. 2. Gather required documents for the appeal. To appeal your overstay, you need to prepare and submit a formal appeal along with the following documents. Letter of appeal. Write a motivated letter explaining the reasons for your overstay. In this letter, you should include your personal details. The reason for your overstay. Any supporting evidence. A request for leniency or cancellation of the undesirable status. Copy of passport, including the biodata page and the page showing the visa and entry stamp into South Africa. Proof of departure. If applicable, include details of your departure from South Africa, such as a copy of your flight ticket or boarding pass. Supporting documents. Provide any additional documents that can justify the reason for your overstay, such as medical reports, proof of application delays, other supporting documentation relevant to your situation. 3. Submit the appeal. You can submit your overstay appeal in 2 ways. 3.1. Email submission. Send your appeal letter and supporting documents via email to the Department of Home Affairs. The official email address for overstay appeals is overstayappeals@dha.gov.za. In your email, make sure to include your full name, passport number, and contact details. A detailed explanation of why you overstayed. Attach all supporting documents. 3.2. In-person submission. If you are still in South Africa, you may be able to visit the nearest Department of Home Affairs office to submit your appeal in person. 4. Wait for a response. The Department of Home Affairs typically takes 4 to 8 weeks to process overstay appeals. You may follow up on the status of your appeal by contacting the DHA via email or phone. 5. Appeal while abroad. If you have already left South Africa and were declared undesirable, you can still submit your appeal from outside the country. Use the same email submission process mentioned above. 6. Outcome of the appeal. If your appeal is successful, the Department of Home Affairs will lift the ban, and you will be allowed to re-enter South Africa or apply for new visas. If your appeal is rejected, the ban will remain in place for the specified duration. Important tips. Apply early. File your appeal as soon as possible after the overstay is flagged. Maintain proper documentation. Keep copies of all your appeal correspondence and documents for reference. Legal assistance. If your case is complex, you may consider seeking advice from a lawyer or immigration expert to assist with the appeal. By following the above steps, you can appeal an overstay penalty and potentially have the undesirable status lifted. How can we help you? Please email us to info@samigration.com. WhatsApp message me on +278 23738415. Where are you now? Check our website. Please rate us by clicking on this links. Samigration visas.